In this video, I'll show you how to fix the problem when you can't add your debit or credit card to your PayPal account. First, check the simple things. Make sure you type the card number, expiry date, security code, and billing address exactly as they appear on your bank records. Even a small typo or a different address format can cause PayPal to reject the card. Next, confirm that your card is allowed for online and international transactions. Some banks block online or foreign payments by default. Open your banking app or call your bank and ask if your card can be used with PayPal and for online purchases. Also remember that one card can't be linked to multiple PayPal accounts. If you've used this card before on another PayPal or on a closed or limited account, PayPal may refuse it. In that case, you may need to remove it from the old account or use a different card. If nothing works, try again without a VPN on a different device or browser, and then contact your bank and PayPal support for more details. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.